Let's study the variable sales from the Superstore dataset. Let's drag sales to the rows. And now we have the total sales. Let's break down in categories. We have 3 categories: furniture, office suppliers, and technology. We can even break down more. Subcategory and drop here. It's easy to see horizontally. Let's click here. Let's add more information to this chart. For example, profit, drag here. And let's put color. And to interpret the color, click and show me here, then you see the legend. Darker the blue, higher is the profit, and the orange is a negative profit. To sell chairs is profitable, but tables is unprofitable. Let's filter the information in terms of segment. For example, drag segment filter, and you can choose it consumer, corporate, or home office. Let's see the data only for consumer. Now only for corporate, or just for home office.